Troubleshooting and fixing a fridge that's not cold enough.
Hello, DIY repair enthusiasts. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to troubleshoot and fix a refrigerator that's not getting cold, even though the freezer is working. This is a common problem that many people encounter, and it's usually a simple fix. Let's dive right in.
Understanding the problem.
The refrigerator and freezer compartments cool down by different methods. Typically, the freezer gets cold first and then the refrigerator gets cold from the cold air in the freezer. So, if your fridge isn't getting cold, it could be an issue with the airflow from the freezer to the refrigerator.
Checking for obstructions.
The first thing you need to do is check for any obstructions. Open both the refrigerator and the freezer doors. Make sure there are no food items blocking the vents inside the compartments. These vents allow the cold air to circulate between the two sections.
Examining the thermostat settings.
Next, check the thermostat settings. If your refrigerator is set to a warm temperature, it might not be cold enough. Most refrigerators should be set between 35 and 38 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1.6 and 3.3 degrees Celsius.
Inspecting the condenser coils.
The condenser coils could be dirty. These are usually found on the back of the refrigerator or underneath it. When they get covered in dust, they can't efficiently release heat, which could affect the refrigerator's cooling capacity. Cleaning these coils might help resolve the issue.
Checking the evaporator fan.
The problem could also be with the evaporator fan. This fan circulates cold air from the freezer to the refrigerator. If the fan is not working, the freezer will be cold but the refrigerator will not. To check it, you'll need to unplug the fridge and locate the evaporator fan, which is usually behind the back panel of the freezer. If it's not spinning freely, you might need to replace it.
Considering a professional inspection.
If none of these steps resolves the issue, it could be a problem with the refrigerator's compressor, the refrigerant, or a complex component. In this case, it's recommended to call a professional to diagnose and fix the problem. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to troubleshoot and fix a fridge that's not cold enough. Remember, some issues can be easily fixed at home, but some require a professional's touch. Good luck with your repairs, and remember to always prioritize safety when dealing with appliances.